They told me I don't qualify for a mortgage. Now,
hello, let me tell you what it's like to be a zero.
Hi everyone, my name is Isaac Dueñas and I'm a loan officer, and we are going to talk about they told me I don't qualify for a mortgage. Now, as you already know, I'm a firm believer about the loan estimate. I don't care about interest rates, I don't care about closing costs, about details on that kind of crap. You cannot compare a loan based on a specific information. You compare a loan with an estimate. And you can watch this in my other videos that I have that I previously made about this specific topic. So what happens? Why you don't qualify for a mortgage? And that is the real question that you want to ask. Now, what lender told you? Well, what lender told you that you don't qualify for a mortgage? Why am I asking this? It's because the big lenders really are not going to spend any time with you. They're going to pull your credit. They see 500. Thank you very much. See ya, bye. And that is the key. You want to ask them, okay, I understand I don't qualify for a mortgage, but what is it exactly that is making my credit to be where it needs? What is making my credit be unqualifiable? And number two, what can I do to bring my score up to where it needs to be, or my financials where they need to be? And that is the real question. That is the reason why you call a mortgage company. Most people are like, well, you know, I gotta pull on my credit first. I gotta make sure everything is in order. No, you won't be able to do that, because the free credit scores that you see online, you don't have all the tools that you need to be able to find out the real reason why it's low. You're not able to see the exact percentages to be able to pull your credit where you want it to be qualifiable in a good standing, in a good spot for you. So what do? You call a mortgage company. You don't hire one of these agencies to fix your credit. No, you talk to your loan officer, the one that you like the best from all the companies that they told you that you don't qualify, and you ask them, what can I do to bring it from 540, 530, 520 to the 580, 600, 620, 640, whatever level you need to be, and then do what they say. It might take you a month. I have personally helped people go from the high 500s, low 500s, all the way to 600, to a point that we can actually do something just by looking at the details. Sometimes there's a credit card balance that needs to go down. Sometimes there's small details that you can immediately change and immediately impact that score. So, in my advice is, instead of focusing so much about I didn't qualify, that's it, giving up, call more lenders. Try to get more loan estimates. Trying to find a loan officer that likes you enough, that you like enough, that you guys have a good relationship, good enough to be able to talk to him and be like, what can I do? A good loan officer, I'm gonna tell you this, will not let a business just go. When I pull a credit, even if that credit doesn't qualify, I don't just let it go. I am very specific to a person. This is the reason why we cannot qualify you at this moment. However, these are the changes that either you yourself make, I can help you make them, I can follow up with you. They gotta be, when can you do all these things? That way your credit can go back where it needs to be, and we can get this deal going. And if you're a loan officer watching this, dude, don't let a deal go. I understand there's other people out there to call. I understand there's other people with good credit. I get that. I get that you don't want to spend too much time with somebody that doesn't qualify. I get that, but it doesn't really take too much of your time. I mean, in 5 minutes you can tell somebody, look, these are the reasons why this is not gonna work. I need you to work on this, this, and this. Can I follow up with you next week, in 2 weeks, a month from now? Anyway, I hope this advice helps. Find a good loan officer. This is not a marketing, this is no sales crap that I'm throwing at you, and I'm not telling you like, please call me, like most people tell you. Please call me, I will fix your credit. I've done this for hundreds and thousands of people. No, what I'm telling you is, honestly, find someone that cares about you. Work with them. Fix your credit and get that mortgage done. Now, before I get in an accident because this is snowing, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, hit the bell button, comments. Put comments in the comment section. Ask me any questions if you have any, and I will talk to you tomorrow.